Sånt sketti ja merikylpylän ranta.
Yeah, today is the 26th of November 2020, and this is Wavulinintie 5 staircase B. What was the name of this residential building company?
Sånt sketti ja merikylpylän ranta.
Yeah, and it's in Wattuniemi, Halones, Lauttasaari, Römsö, Helsinki, Finland. This elevator has 7 floors and it was built in 1972. There's the Kone here. And it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021, turning 50 years old in 2022, and the serial number is H29086. Could have also been made a bit faster.
Yeah.
The NPN8 buttons and stop and allow buttons are of the NPN6 1960s type. Possibly early 1972.
Yeah.
I also found a metal plate from 1972 on the door to the bunker. Or of course it could also be later in 1972 as well.
Yeah.
We don't know if we're gonna get to the staircase A now. It's difficult, but
Yeah.
that's why we can take another ride.
Spektiippaa kiva, jos täältä meidän teppaikka on.
Good maintenance here.
Yeah.
Close by on Särkkäniemen and Martin's 17, there is a residential building from 1990. There's still the original elevators. Having 30 years old, but we haven't still got it inside it. But we might get there some other time. Thank you.